So, if you are visiting Germany as a tourist or for business, there are certain phrases you will definitely need. So hello, and today I want to learn you how to say hello in German. And this is actually quite easy. Hello in German means hello. H-L-L-O. Hello. And as you have seen, let's fix this a bit. Hello sounds quite familiar, right? Because it actually originates from the English word hello. Yeah, someone in the time after Second World War, someone here in Germany must have made a little mistake and just simply misspelled the English word hello with the letter A. And so hello was born. And hello is the common form of greeting in Germany. We also use sometimes the phrase Guten Tag, which means good day, and therefore we mean to wish someone a good day. Also, mostly in Bavaria, we use Grüß Gott. That means, well, Gott means God, and Grüß kommt von grüßen, greeting. But that's an old phrase that is, like I said, only used in certain regions of our area. So it's no concern of yours. So, and now, yeah, you know how to say hello in German.